I'm gonna just start off by going into this purple shade right here, which is Sadie, and just gonna pack that on my lid. Today's look is super easy and fun. It's literally one eyeshadow that you're gonna be using, and I feel like anyone can do this. The brush that I'm using is this Morphe brush, by the way. I got it in a set of brushes. I think it was like 7 brushes or something for like 25 bucks, which is amazing. I love Morphe brushes for their eyeshadows, and even the foundation brush that I use is Morphe, and they're very affordable. So I'm just using this brush just to pack on the product, and I'm packing it on both eyes, obviously. Now I'm gonna go in with a blending brush and just blend out this purple. So as I've said in my other videos, blending is, I feel like, the most important when it comes to doing eyeshadow. Literally just blend till you can't blend anymore. So now that I feel like I've blended enough, I'm gonna go in with this white eyeliner. I'm literally the worst when it comes to doing eyeliners, so because I have the least steadiest hand in the world. So let's see how this goes. There's one eye. Let's see how the other one goes. It was rough. I look crazy right now, but let me just get my life together. So that was the hard part. Now the fun part, pearls. So I'm gonna go in with some pearls just to make this cuter and funner. Where's my lash glue? So I'm just gonna place some pearls alongside. This is what I'm going to fast forward through because it's gonna take me forever. Now I'm gonna go in with my lashes. So then I'm just gonna go in with foundation. Then some concealer. I'm just gonna blend that in with the same sponge. And I'm going in with my cream contour. And I am gonna add, I think, some rhinestones as well, because why not? I'm going in with my smaller brush just to blend this out. And I'm gonna bake with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Bake alongside of the nose. Then I'm going in with my current favorite cream blush. Just taking it on this foundation brush and blending that in. I'm gonna wipe this bake away. And I'm gonna add little diamonds right here. I'm gonna add some purple under. I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara to my bottom lashes. And then I'm going in with some lip liner. And I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight. And this is the finished look. Obviously, this wasn't as talk through as most of my other videos because I was really focused on getting these little gems on, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And as always, my Instagram will be linked down below if you guys have any suggestions for looks that you want me to do, or just leave a comment and I'll see it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed.